Hey, what's up guys, it's Frank Emmanuel here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how you can get more traffic on WhatsApp and close more sales on this simple app on your phone. Yes, this simple app that you've been neglecting all the while, right? When people actually mostly think that WhatsApp is basically for chatting, saying hi to friends and messaging their loved ones, right? But at the same time, while you're doing all of those on WhatsApp, a lot of people, they close sales for this simple app on their phone. And this is exactly what I want to show you guys today, so that you can actually turn your WhatsApp from a high messaging platform to a sales machine, and you can generate more and more sales for yourself using the WhatsApp application on your phone. I know if you're watching this video right now that you have a WhatsApp application on your phone, and that is exactly why I want to show you guys how you can generate more traffic via WhatsApp for your business and close sales right from this very app. So if this is something you want to learn, go ahead and make sure you stay right here with me all through this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I do tips and tricks, reviews and strategies that will help you grow your online presence. And if you're new to this channel, consider the subscribe button right now and also the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. So like I said earlier guys, I want to show you guys how you can make more sales using the simple application WhatsApp on your phone. Yes, drive more traffic and make more sales, sell your business, sell your product and services. If you sell a handbag, you sell a wristwatch, or you sell every other gadget and all of those things, or you do affiliate marketing, you're selling digital product, right? WhatsApp still remains a very cool spot to generate a whole lot of sales in Nigeria. And I'm not saying it because I feel like saying this, but I'm saying this because it has been backed by statistics. And now I'm going to show you guys, my laptop screen where I'm showing you guys these statistics. So right here, you can actually see that this is the January 2021 statistics for the most used app by Nigerians, right? And you can see that WhatsApp is being used by 93% of Nigerians. This basically means that 93% of the people in Nigeria between the ages of 16 to 64 are currently using WhatsApp. Guys, you can see the amount of people that are on this application, right? So this means for you that, if you can actually reach 93% of people on WhatsApp, wow, you're going to really make a whole lot of sales. And I don't even think I can actually take up all of those others. The others will actually be coming like crazy. So you can see WhatsApp is currently leading with 93%, and next is Facebook with 86.2%, right? And the next one here is YouTube with 81.6%. Guys, I've done a video on how to set up ads on YouTube and get to reach out, 86.2%. That is millions of Nigerians that are using Facebook currently. Go ahead and watch that video right now. And at the same time, you can see even on YouTube, you can also get to learn how to set up a YouTube channel for yourself. I've done that video. I'm going to leave all of this video and pack it down right there in the description below so that you can actually watch this video and you learn how to do all of these things. Learn how to reach millions of people. Put your business and your product in front of these guys. But for today, guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the simple step on how you can use this app. This is WhatsApp on my phone, guys, and I know all of you watching this video right now, you have it. So I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process to utilize this app, drive traffic down here, and you generate a whole lot of sales. You close them and you make money for yourself, right? So watch my screen. So yeah, I'm on Facebook right now, and the very first thing that you want to do is, you have a Facebook page created for yourself, and right here on your Facebook page, I have actually shown you guys how to do that already before in the previous video I did, so you can go ahead and watch that. And once you've created your Facebook page, what you want to do is to scroll down to your Facebook page settings. So this is my Facebook page now, and I'm going to scroll down to my Facebook page settings. I'm going to click on settings now. And once I click on settings, the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll right down to where I see WhatsApp. So you can see WhatsApp here. Remember, WhatsApp is owned by Facebook basically, and also Instagram. And once I see WhatsApp, I'm going to click on WhatsApp right here. And once I click on WhatsApp here, you can see it says your WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, and it is connected. And you can see right here, this is my WhatsApp number, which is already connected to my Facebook page already. So this is the very first step that you want to get started with. You can see other settings, the WhatsApp account page settings and all, but this is basically where we are focusing on, right? So once you've done this, now the next step is to figure out how to start driving traffic and sales to your WhatsApp number. All right, so I'm going to come over to my ad manager account right now, and you can see this is my ad account. And basically this is the very first step you use when you're actually creating any ad campaign via Facebook. So if you've actually seen the video where we actually walk through the Facebook ad campaign, or even the Instagram ads we did, you're going to see we also took through this particular ad account. And here to get started, I'm going to click on create. And once I click on create right now, it is going to bring up this particular page where we have to choose the several objectives for our ad. Now, I was able to break down to you guys that we have three broad objectives for our ads. We have the awareness, we have the consideration, and we have the conversion, right? So each of these three broad campaign objectives have several, campaign objectives underneath them. And you can see for awareness, we have brand awareness and reach. For consideration, we have traffic, engagement, app install, video views, lead generation, and messages. And for conversion, we have traffic, we have catalog sales and store traffic. But for this purpose, guys, what you want to do is to click on traffic, right? You click on traffic, and coming down here, because here it says you are sending people to a destination such as a website or an app or whatever event. So I'm going to type in the name of this ad. I'm going to say WhatsApp ads 1, and I'm going to say WhatsApp ad set 1. I'm going to say WhatsApp ad 1. All right, so once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. So once I click on continue now, it is going to take me to the next page where, you can see this particular page here. This is the campaign level page, and you can skip this category, add category. You can also skip, this is for the objective section, and also for campaign budget and also for campaign budget optimization, you can skip this particular section too, and we move over to the next. Once you add this particular section, what you basically want to do right now is to click on WhatsApp. So once you click on WhatsApp, it's asking you to select a page. You have to open up the pages you have, and you are going to select the page you want to be linked to, this particular ad campaign. Now, the page you're going to be selecting is the page with the phone number that you want, the WhatsApp sales to be driven to, right? The traffic from your ads and all, where do you want the traffic to be sent to? That is, the number you must add. That number has already been added to the page, and that is the particular page you have to select when you are doing this. So once you have selected that particular page, you can actually, see it says here WhatsApp information, including names and phone number, is restricted to the data to use the restriction in their policies. I've actually walked you guys through the Facebook ad policies, so we are not really going over that right now. So you're coming over to the budget section. So the budget section, we're actually selecting, our daily ad budget. And like I actually said, let's say our daily ad budget is 2,000 naira daily. Right, this is the amount we are willing to spend, 2,000 naira on a daily basis on this particular ad. Right, so coming down, we have to choose our audience. Who is our audience, right? This is where we get to select our audience. And at this particular point, you can actually select the audience you want. So here I'm going to first of all edit based on the location I want my audience to come from or where they currently are. I'm going to click on Lagos, for instance. And yes, people in Lagos are going to buy my product. Those are the people I want to sell to. Let's say I also want people in Abuja to also, be aware of my product or, get to jump on my product. I can also add in Abuja. So I've selected Lagos, Abuja. Maybe you want to add in Port Harcourt or some other cities. You can just type it in here and it shows up, you select it. So once you have done that, you're coming over to the age section. And on this age section, you are going to be editing this age. So let's say the age range of the people that are most likely to buy your product will be within the age of 20 to 65. So you're going to be selecting that. So once you are doing that, you can actually notice that as we are making edits to this particular, audience targeting, you can see that the changes here are also occurring, right? From the audience definition to the estimated daily results based on our budget, right? It is changing, and you can see how it keeps on moving. So for this particular point, you're looking at gender. And you can basically see that, for this gender, if your ad is gender specific, it's okay that, you get to select if it's a man or woman or you leave it at all, right? So at this particular point, you're coming over to the detailed targeting, right? You're coming over to the detailed targeting section, and you can basically see that, Facebook wants to really handle this for you. They want to really figure out how they can optimize, your ads to reach the people who you are most likely, wanting to reach. So it says here, we are going to use a broader audience when you use the traffic objective with WhatsApp. This lets our system explore more opportunities to show your ad. So they want to show your ad to as many people as possible. But trust me, guys, this basically doesn't really mean that they are going to get it very well. Because for me, I always believe that if I'm actually setting up ads on this Facebook here, I want to make sure that, I have a targeted audience. I have people that I want to reach out to for my product. I do not want, Facebook to just throw my ads to a very broad audience and then they come down to WhatsApp and they're asking me a series of questions. And, I want people that are already interested in my product service. So basically, what I want to do right now is to go right back to the objective section. Right, so I'm going to come right back to this objective here and I'm going to say show more options and edit this. So I'm going to edit it to, let's say I'm editing this to something like, lead generation, for example, and I'm going to click on continue. So once I click on that, I'm coming over to, this particular ad set. And I'm going to come down to this particular audience section again, right? And you can see right now that when it comes to detailed targeting, they have allowed you to do your detailed targeting. Please watch this closely, guys, so that you can really understand, how to get this to work for yourself. So coming over here, I can actually select the location, which is Lagos and Abuja. It has been selected. And the age range has been selected too. The gender has been selected. And for the detailed targeting, I'm going to go over to select it. So like I said, I'm actually selling, food recipes, right? I'm selling food recipes. And, this is basically going to be more attractive to chefs, to cooks, and, a few other persons around this interest. So I'm going to type this in. Let's say chef. I'm going to type in chef. I'm also going to type in cooks. Yep. Okay, so let me just say cook. Yeah, cook. And then let's allow Facebook to give me some more suggestions. So they're giving me so much suggestion I can pick up from. And you can see cooking chef, cooking profession, recipes, restaurant owner, and, a whole lot of other, suggestions that they are currently giving to me, right? So you can actually add as you want, keep on selecting, different interests around this particular, detailed targeting. So once you are done with this, you're going to come down to this section and you save this audience. So let's save this audience as Jolly Recipe WhatsApp audience. So once we have done this, we will click on save. Right, so once we click on save right now, remember that you actually switch the objective of this ad. And because you switch the objective of this ad, you cannot run it on WhatsApp anymore, right? So we have to go back right now and switch it back to the traffic objective so that we can, be able to see the option of running this on WhatsApp. So I'm going to go over to selecting on this traffic and clicking on continue, right? The basic reason why we actually made that switch was just to help us to save, a targeted audience of whom we want to target, right? So you can actually go ahead and, you can test these two things. Test the first ad where Facebook is actually, throwing your ad to a very broad audience without the detailed targeting. And also test this other one where you have actually, you have a saved audience and you are feeding Facebook with the saved audience you have. So you can actually test these two and see which one works the best for your business, right? So once you have done this, you've switched over to the traffic objective. I'm going to come back down right to this ad set level. And coming down to the ad set level, I'm going to click on WhatsApp again. And once I click on WhatsApp, I am going to go ahead and select the page, right? So I'm selecting the page that I want to, run the ads to. That's the number with the number in it. So I'm going to edit this to 2,000 Naira daily budget. And once I have done that, I'm coming over to the audience section. So instead of me going again to set up a new audience, I'm going to come over to use to save audiences. And you can see Jolly Recipe WhatsApp audience we have before. And I'm going to click on them, right? So once you have done that, you are also most likely going to see that, at this particular section of detailed targeting, it's still saying it is off. But then it is, like I said, it's quite cool to still test for both of them and see which one is going to give you, better results for your ads. So when you come over to this placement section here, you can use automatic placements where Facebook gets to place your ad in all of the places, right? Both Facebook, Instagram, and every other area, they actually place ads. Or you can use manual placement. So the manual placement is where you get to select, where Facebook is going to place this ad, whether it's on Facebook, on the audience network, or Instagram, right? So you can actually select whichever one. You can uncheck Instagram if you don't want it to be on Instagram. You can uncheck the audience network if you do not want it to be there, right? So once you have done that, you can scroll down and you can go over to clicking on the next. So once you click on the next, this is where you will now get to select, every other details you have for your ad. So you add your Instagram account, and then your ad creative. This is where you get to add it. So I'm going to add media right now. So let's say, okay, we are adding image or video. So I'm going to add this video. And this video is around my food recipe that I have created for myself. And once I do that, I click on done. So once you click on done, the image is going to be uploaded. And you can add your primary text, just a little bit right up around your product. Right? You can just tell them, okay, this is a food recipe and you're going to like it. Come and buy and all of those. So once you add your primary text, you can add the headline, which is, you can add the headline, you can change this one to something else, and also add the description. So the next thing you're doing here is the call to action. So once you can add the call to action, which is send WhatsApp message. All right. So guys, this is basically how you've just, quickly added up this particular image section and your creative here. And you can see the preview. You can see the preview at the right-hand section here. This one is for the Facebook ad. You can, let's see more variation. So this is how your ad is going to look like when you publish them. This is for the Facebook feed. And you can see everybody is chatting you on WhatsApp. Once they click on this link, they chat you on WhatsApp, even on Instagram and every other, platform where your ad is being placed on. All right. So once you have done this, guys, this is exactly, how you've been able to set up your ads right now. And you can go ahead and click on publish. So let me click on publish right now so you can see. And once you click on publish this ad, it is actually going to, publish all through, and then, your ad is going to be on review, right? So let's see. Yeah, so you can see right here, it says my ad is in review already. So it's in review. And let me cancel this out. Let me close this page. So you can see here, guys, my ad currently is on review. But I'm going to turn this off because I don't want to be running ads right now. Right. So guys, basically, this is a simple step-by-step process, that you can use to set up ad. I know you love this video. And if you have actually liked this video to this very point, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel right now and hit the bell icon, because guys, there are more and more videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys to show you guys how to make more sales online. Because I know everybody is selling online these days, and you really need to master the art of selling in the online space through the various mediums that are available for you. And this is exactly what I'm going to be doing right here on this channel, sharing with you guys all of these opportunities, the tips, the tricks, and every other strategies that you're going to use to generate more sales for yourself via the online media, right? And guys, I hope this has really, done a whole lot of wonders to you guys. You can start generating a whole lot of sales to your WhatsApp right now. Go ahead and make sure that you follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'm going to leave the link to my digital school right down in the description below, so that you can actually join my digital school and learn a whole lot more of how to use digital to scale your business and grow your personal brand. So make sure you do not forget to join on using those links in the description below. All right, so this is it for this video today. I am going to be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.